This is a journey into sound, a journey that will bring you along the way new colour, new dimension, new values, and a new experience.
The whole medical profession is in the hands and control of the pharmaceuticals. They're bought out the way into the medical system, and they control it, and they don't want you healed.
In the beginning was sound, and we are all composed of sound, and there's not much more you can say about it. We are sound.
The effect of cymatic frequencies on texture, structure, water, oil.
It's been shown that you are better able to time your behaviour with another human being than you would be to just a click track.
Thinking about it. In fact, the first person can drop out. And the other person knows exactly when they're going to start again. Can pick up the beat, can internalize the pulse.
So we're interested in identifying which parts of the brain are responsible for processing different types of sounds in a perceptually relevant way.
Today, sound can be found at the forefront of Western medicine and is being used to diagnose and treat cancer, amongst other serious diseases. Harmonic scalpels are cutting through tissues using sound frequencies rather than heat, and sound is being bombed at tumours via Newton cradle devices.
It's a very powerful medium.